चलें जी, स्टार्ट करते हैं. हो गया? ओके, गुड हो गया. बदले ना लिया करो, बिस्किट ले जाए तो. ओके, नाउ वी हैव which paragraph contains the following information. This question type is solely based on scanning. But now you'll be more comfortable. You know why? Because you are already familiar with the passage. So once you are familiar with the passage, you will find it easier. Let's see how to do it. Question number 14. A reference to a type of tomato that can resist a dangerous infection. Now, a paragraph where we read about it, a reference to a type of tomato that can resist a dangerous infection. Okay? Paragraph C. Please come to paragraph C. Reference to dangerous type of tomato, type of tomato that can resist a dangerous infection. Paragraph C, fourth paragraph. Got it? Yeah. This is where we found the answer of question number 26, if you remember. I'm reading it. Section C, third paragraph. The team in China redomesticated several strains of wild tomatoes with desirable traits lost in domesticated tomatoes. In this way, they managed to create a strain resistant to a common disease called bacteria spot race. So, resistant to a common disease. What is the question? A reference to a type of tomato that can resist a dangerous infection. What is the word for dangerous infection? Yeah, the name of the disease. What is that? Absolutely, absolutely. Okay, called bacteria spot race. Got it? Okay, good. See that? Now you are more confident. Question number 15. An explanation of how problems can arise from focusing only on a certain type of tomato plant. Start from section A, B, C. Go on from A, B, C. Explanation of how problems can arise from focusing on a certain type of tomato plant. They will use the name of that type, certain type of tomato plant. Certain type of tomato plant. And by the way, you've read it already. How the problem started. Mutation. Absolutely. Section B, second paragraph. And the type of tomatoes they mentioned is wild tomatoes. Got it? I mean, come back to the question, please, if you don't understand. Question number, an explanation of how problems can arise from focusing on a certain type of tomato. What is the word for certain type of tomato? Yeah, wild tomato. Okay. Now let's just read this thing together. I'm reading section B, second paragraph. But every time a single plant with a mutation is taken from a larger population for breeding, much genetic diversity is lost. What is the problem? Much genetic diversity is lost. Okay. And then they talked about flavor as well. Lost much of their flavor. When tomato is losing its flavor, what does it mean? It's a problem. Okay, come back to the question. An explanation of how problems can arise. Got it? पहला problem क्या था? Yeah, genetic diversity. Second problem, loss of flavor. So these are the problems, and for question number 15, correct answer is B, section B. Okay, question number 16. A number of examples of plants that are not cultivated at present but could be useful as food sources. Look for the names of plants. A number of examples of plants. Number of examples means 4 or 5 examples. Right? Number of examples of plants that are not cultivated at present but could be useful as food source. Look around. Okay, go to paragraph C, D, E. C, D, E. C for cat, D for duck, E for elephant. Number of examples. No. Absolutely. Please come to section E. Everyone, section E, second paragraph. The 3 teams already have their eye on other plants that could be catapulted into the mainstream. Got it? And what are those plants? Including foxtail, oatgrass, and cowpea. Foxtail, Oatgrass and cowpea. So what is the word for foxtail, oatgrass and cowpea? A number of examples of plants that are not cultivated at present but could be useful as food sources. Okay, read again. The three teams already have their eye on other plants that could be catapulted into the mainstream. Catapulted means they can add it into the mainstream. And mainstream of plants are the plants that we eat. Okay? Got it? It's all clear? Right? So listen. Whenever they use the word number of, look for commas. Like A, comma, B, comma, C, and D. Commas and. Look for commas and look for and you will find your answer. Question number 17. Comparison between early domestication of tomato and more recent research. Yeah. Early domestication and more recent research. Paragraph A, section A, first paragraph. It took at least 3,000 years for human to learn how to domesticate the wild tomato and cultivate it for food. Now, two separate teams. Now means present. And 3,000 years, that is related to past. Okay? So, what's the question? The question is a comparison between the early domestication. For early domestication, what is the word? 3,000 years ago. And more recent research. And what is the word for more recent research? Now. Right? Question number 17, answer is A. Question number 18. Okay, a personal reaction. Listen, whenever there is a personal reaction, it can be somewhere like, oh my God, or wow, that's amazing. Personal reaction. Personal reaction is sometimes based on feelings. So, a personal reaction to the flavor of a tomato that has been genetically edited. Huh? And what is that personal reaction? They are quite tasty. Now, what is this? For example, you have some biscuits and you say, wow, they are quite delicious. So, paragraph C, section C, there is only one line. Can you see that line? They are quite tasty, says Kudla. A little bit strong and very aromatic. A little bit strong and very aromatic. Now, tasty, strong, aromatic. This is his personal reaction. So, for question number 18, correct answer is C. All right. Thank you.